Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, and my peeps, now we're gonna make some Jamaican Easter bun, some spice bun. Alright, I made it the next way, like the bread way in the bread pan, but now I'm gonna make it like the round ones. Okay, so one of my followers, they asked me if I have ever made it with the yeast. I told them no. I'm gonna take the recipe from that Easter bun I made, and then I'm gonna incorporate it into this one. All right, so let's get into this video. Three and a half cups of all-purpose flour. You need another cup or so to mix it later on, okay, or half cup. And we're gonna add some flavor to it. I'm gonna add, you can measure it, I'm gonna add half teaspoon salt. I'm gonna go in with some brown sugar. I'm gonna add half cup of brown sugar. I'm not gonna put 1 cup, guys, because I'm gonna add lots of stuff to it and that will make it sweet. So half cup here. I have 1 egg. I took out the whites, the chalaza. And this is my yeast. I'm gonna go in with 2 teaspoons. And this is the instant yeast. This is my clove. I'm gonna put 1/4 teaspoon. Oops. All right. We're gonna go in with half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon nutmeg. All right, and that's it for the dry ingredients. I'm not gonna mix it, I'm just gonna leave it as is and I'm gonna set it aside. Okay, all right my peeps, this is not red label wine, this is my sorrel. Okay, it has red label wine, sorrel, rum. I'm gonna add 1/3 and another 1/3, so 2/3 cup, right, of my sorrel. This is my malt. So 2/3 cup of malt right there. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of molasses, or 2, about 2. 1 teaspoon rose water. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon almond extract. 1 teaspoon mixed essence. And this is my jam. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. And you want to warm this in the microwave, warm to touch, not super hot, not cold, but warm to touch, so we can rise the yeast. I have about 1/4 cup of my sorrel here, and I pour it in this. I have some raisin, about you can use about half cup of raisin to about 1/3 cup of cherry. All right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it. Gonna have little piece of chunks in it, but not too much. Okay, and we're gonna just mix everything together. And remember to warm this. I like to put ginger. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1/3 cup of this thing. So we're gonna pour it here of the puree. We can't forget the oil. Okay, you can use some butter, some melted butter or oil. All right, 3 tablespoons. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour half first. And we're just gonna mix it away. So I'm gonna pour the whole 1 3/4 cups. Oh guys, look at it. Can you see the goodness here? All right, and this is how you want it. But just before I take it out and knead it, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour because I want it to be a little bit more firm. Just about 2 tablespoons right there. Now you want to dust your surface with some flour, and we're going to take it out. You're going to sprinkle some because you're going to have this extra cup of flour you're going to use to knead it. All right. See how fluffy it is, guys? Knead this for about good 5 to 7 minutes. You can go up to 10, and then you're gonna put it to rise. Okay. And if you find out that it starts to stick, you have your scooper here. You just scoop it up, and then you put a little bit more flour. Not too much now, and then you continue. Alright guys, I think that's it now. Stretch it a little bit somewhat, so this is how you want it. Alright. Now we're going to grab some oil, about a teaspoon, and we're going to rub it up. Alright. And we're going to put this bad boy to rise, okay? And then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to leave this for about 60 to 90 minutes, and then I'm going to come back. All right, guys. And this is it. I'm going to grab a little bit of flour, not too much flour. Just going to punch out any extra air bubbles in it. All right. Cut it in two first. This one in about 6. You don't really need more flour than that, okay? You don't have to put more flour on it, guys. It's up to you. Unless it's sticky. Alright. You don't have to put any more flour. Just like that. You can make them big or you can make them small, alright? It's up to you. So we're going to put 4 on one side, 4 on one side, and 4 on one side. So we have 12 here. Alright. I have the last one. So fold it, spin it over, and tuck it in. And if your hand's getting sticky, just put a little bit of flour. Alright. Alright, then we're going to set it there. I'll get my hand towel or kitchen towel, and I'm going to cover it for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Alright, until they rise a little bit. Alright, my peeps, I'm back, and I have a little bit of milk over here, and I'm just going to brush the top of them, and I'm going to pop them in the oven. My oven is heating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. I'm going to bake these for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to come back. This is what I came up with. Alright, they're really soft and nice. However, over here I have about 2 teaspoons of guava jam, and I put about half teaspoon of olive oil, and I'm just gonna brush them over. Alright, so they don't dry out. And then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get some cheese or something, and I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, we're just gonna take some and put over here, guys, and they're super soft. Look at that, guys. Okay, look at that. Look at that. See how soft they are, guys. All right, we're just gonna put few right here. And this is the goodness. Can you see how soft it is? See? So we're gonna cut it in two. Can you see that, guys? Look at that. And I'm gonna put some cheese. I don't have the regular Jamaican cheese, but if you have that, you can put that, okay? And you want to put some cheese and you want to just cover it like that, okay? All right, my peeps, and this is what I'm serving up. Yes, this is my spice bun. Guys, you can try it and tell me how it tastes, okay? When I taste it, guys, if you want it sweeter, you can add about maybe a quarter cup more sugar, but this is sweet enough for me. And also, next thing, what I would do next time around, I would put maybe 2 teaspoons of browning if you want it to be like darker in color, okay? But this is it. All right, my peeps, this is my Jamaican spice bun, my way, my style. All right, my peeps, yes, yes. And I add some cheese, but if you want, guys, you can add some Jamaican cheese, okay? So this is it, guys. Yes, yes. You have a good day. Bye, guys.